Introducing the sleek and stylish 2023 Volkswagen T-Roc 1.0TSI 110B R-Line. This black beauty comes fully equipped with a rear-view camera, USB-C ports and a powerful 1-litre engine with 43565 km mileage, packed with features such as air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth and multiple safety systems including collision avoidance braking and multiple airbags. This vehicle also boasts a luxurious interior with cup holders, load cover and more. Rest assured with an anti-corrosion warranty and self-driving capabilities, with a full health check, manufacturer servicing and comprehensive warranty, this T-Roc is ready to hit the road. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more details. Drive away in style today.